How to fix Samsung printer offline issue on Windows. If your Samsung printer shows as offline on your Windows PC, follow these steps to get it back online. Step 1. Check basic connections. Ensure printer is powered on and cables are secure. For USB connections, try a different port cable. For network printers, verify Wi-Fi Ethernet connection. Step 2. Set printer online in Windows. 1. Open Control Panel, Devices and Printers. 2. Right-click your Samsung printer. 3. Select See What's Printing. 4. Click Printer, use Printer Online. Step 3. Restart Print Spooler service. 1. Press WinR, type services.msc and press Enter. 2. Find Print Spooler in the list. 3. Right-click and select Restart. Step 4. Update printer drivers. 1. Right-click Start Menu, Device Manager. Expand Print Queues. 3. Right-click your printer, Update Driver. 4. Select Search automatically for drivers. Step 5. Remove and re-add printer. 1. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. 2. Select your printer. Remove device. 3. Click Add Device to reinstall. Step 6. Troubleshoot network issues. Run Windows Printer Troubleshooter. Settings, Update and Security. Troubleshoot printer. Temporarily disable firewall antivirus. Try connecting via USB if Wi-Fi problems persist. Additional tips: check for Windows updates. Restart both printer and computer. Verify printer IP address is correct for network printers. Reset printer network settings if needed. For more updates, subscribe our channel, The Printer Zone.